How to fix Windows 11 brightness problem. So in order for us to fix the problem from our Windows 11 related to the brightness, I want you to go ahead and run CMD as an administrator, and then we're just going to go ahead and type few things here. So I have this one right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy these prompts right here. I'm going to paste it. That's the first one, and then this one is going to basically check our disk. There are going to be 3 stages for this, so just wait for it to be done. Alright, so it's done. Now we're going to go ahead and type here prompt, or paste here the prompt. So just paste here, enter, and then copy this one right here. I'm going to paste it, hit enter, and then as you can see, no integrity violation, so that's good. Now another one is this one. I'm going to hit enter. All right, still the same thing, no any integrity violation, so we're going to go ahead and click this one or paste this one, hit enter, and you can see that there's a lot of codes right there, and then we're almost done, everybody. All right, so now we are going to basically have a system scan. So again, still the same thing, just try to wait for this one to be done. Alright, so it's done. Now we're going to go ahead and just basically exit this one. I'm going to type ext, hit enter, and there you go, everybody. This time you should be able to fix the problem related to your brightness here on Windows 11 PC.